We're going to restart behind us 5.
Oh my god. Hey, I did night shift last night. It's like 9:30 in the morning here, so I've had no sleep.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think I normally race against you at the time of day, honestly.
Fellas, remember, like I said, it's going to be a little
I never
chilly
get to
today,
race with you
so
anymore,
you guys are
Davo,
going over the wall. Make sure you're
yeah,
staying limbered
not
up.
Talladega.
Slow in there. We don't want you guys
Oh my
getting cold,
god.
hurt yourself.
That was 2 weeks ago or something, 3 weeks ago, who knows.
Double check your steering wheel.
I do know it's
Look everything
Daytona,
over
that's what
real
I
good.
meant anyway. Good luck, guys.
All right, boss man, pace cars off. Be ready. Green flag. Inside. There. That's a good job. Working the bottom. Inside only one. Caution. Talk to you about your car real
Reckon.
quick. Pit road is closed.
Zachary 18, you must have been shitting your pants.
There wasn't much I could do on that one.
Ah, I turned left as soon as I saw that.
It's open. Pit road open.
I mean, I know he had to come down because that guy was hitting the wall above him, but I was already there. There wasn't nothing I could do.
Get behind the 10.
Yeah, so who's looking forward to Daytona, not Talladega? Oh my god.
Well, it'll probably change my rating, but I'm ready for it.
Yeah, I love and hate it at the same time. Man, they don't broadcast it here in Australia anymore. It doesn't rate anymore, so they don't put it on TV, so it sucks. I have to watch it on YouTube.
Isn't it like nighttime in Australia right now?
No, it's like nearly 9:30 in the morning on Tuesday morning.
That's all.
Time traveler.
Yeah, I shouldn't do this. I always know the end, know the result before we race.
Closed.
Austin, I like that paint scheme, man.
Well, welcome back. You guys can come to Australia next week or so I hope you guys can come visit sometime.
Get behind the 10.
Wow, the world's gone to hell. We've got blockades in Canada. The Ukraine's about to get invaded.
All right, fellas, get ready
Had
to roll
COVID.
here. Make sure
Wow,
you're
what a
double
year this
checking
is
all
going
of
to
your
be.
equipment. Been sitting out here for a while, guys. Make sure we got everything right.
It's pretty rough for you guys right now, ain't it?
Dump cans, steel probes, make sure all that stuff's
Pretty
right.
much.
Computers, everything. 47.17.
Yeah, I'm about to say, you probably got a lot of time on your hands to race, I'll tell you that.
Don't they still have you guys on lockdown or some shit?
Great, kick this thing off.
No, we're finished with that now. It's all done.
Pace cars
We
off.
don't care
Ready?
about COVID anymore.
Ready. Green flag. .811. Clear. Stay to the bottom. Stay to the bottom. Outside. Still out there. You're outside if you want it.
Well, that was sketchy.
27.151.
See, I knew that was going to happen because I'm from the future.
.352. .669. .774. .872. .819 outside.
You love that wall, don't
Still
you?
out there. Clear high.
Yeah, keep beating it down. It'll buff out.
.913. .914. .145.
You reckon, Francis?
Caution. You want something to drink? Yes, they'll take a Captain Morgan and Diet Coke.
Do you get help, Hayden?
Closed. Come around the safe car.
I tried to miss you there, 5.
It's fine, my screen went black, I can't see shit.
You're behind the 17.
Yeah, Jason, I couldn't keep off the wall for the last
The
5 or
road
6
is
laps.
open. Behind the 17.
Yeah, you hit it almost every lap.
Still 0x, but man,
But luckily here it doesn't really slow you down that much.
yeah, I hope not. I'll see what optionals I've got.
We're going to restart behind the 7.
Man, I'm just terrible around here. I can't figure this place out.
Yeah, I can drive it, but I can't. I still have to figure out how to be fast on it.
2, 1.
It's a tough track.
Stop on the sign.
Yeah, I'm not competitive at all.
Driving like New Hampshire.
Yeah, I'm not too bad around there.
Go, man, go.
Okay, well, 10-4, I'll give that a go.
Yeah, this place is pretty much a smaller version of New Hampshire, pretty much.
Be mindful, you only have one set of charge.
Yeah, I'm
away.
over driving
You're behind
entry,
the
for
17.
sure. That's alright, we've got to go one more race to go, and we're Not Talladega, we're doing Daytona. Oh dear, oh dear.
Leave the leaders on old tires.
Yes.
Hey, that'll be fine, man. Track position.
It's like,
All right, buddy. Line up behind the 17. All right, we need to be behind
Yeah, it's
the
hard to
17.
pass. Even on old tires, after about 10 laps, you can get around them pretty easily.
Yeah, I can't get. I go on the inside to make a move and just get
One
monstered
to go
on the
this time,
outside.
bud. He'll be lining up on the inside.
Yeah, it's hard to pass on the
Lining up
inside.
behind the 18.
Yeah, I found that the hard way, but
39.6.
I can't figure out how to pass anyone. Unless they wreck, then I'll pass everyone.
Come on, baby. It's all you now, man. Let's rock and
We
roll.
got a lot of good drivers in here too, though.
All right, boss man. Pace car's off. Be ready. Green flag. .773 outside. Still outside. Still there on your quarter outside. Still there. Still there. 23.001. Still outside. Too wide outside. Clear all around. Go high.
Shit, sorry.
Talk to you about your car real quick.
Shit, I think I'm number 7 I hit. Sorry, dude. I was just trying to avoid that wreck. I think I was
And our
number
close
7.
here, fellas. Alright, we need to be behind the 11.
Yeah, I was trying to avoid that wreck there, and whoever I wrecked there, I didn't mean to do that, but I had nowhere to go.
I mean, I'm watching the replay. You could have used the brakes. You shot left really hard, but it is what it is. We'll regroup and get going again.
Yes, but there's people there. That's a pretty intense restart, guys.
Yeah, I don't think it was number 7 because I'm not seeing a number 7 on the standings, but whoever it was, sorry.
There's not much you can do when cars are wrecking in front of you. You got to make some decision, go left or right or whatever. So
Well, I swerved left to miss the wreck, and he was down there, and I spun him out, not intentionally, but just trying to miss that wreck.
yeah, you and I did the same thing, man. It happened right in front of me. I just turned left, and yeah, there's cars there, of course. So.
You good? Bueller? I'll take your silence as an apology.
Go, man, go, 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 go.
Sorry about that. Thought I was on the outside for a minute.
1 to go.
You're good.
Being smart about
I'm not
your
sure
outside
what
there.
temperature. I don't think I'm too much,
Behind the
but
13.
here we go.
But coming to the green, you're getting cleaned out real well. nice start. All right, boss man, pace cars off. Be ready. Green flag. .883.
Yeah, I'm done, pal.
23.898. Caution, caution. Save us a little here. Nice and smooth. Cool your tires off. Get your fans on.
This is
Closed.
fun.
The road's closed. All right, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 21. Coming to halfway in the race, also next lap. You're going to be lining up behind the 21.
20 car, let's go.
Yeah, sorry, man. Took away for the spotter to tell me what I had to do.
I think they're going to give you the free pass. You're back
The
in
dog
this game,
coming on the
homeboy.
outside.
We're going to have to come around the 21. All right, so we're going to have to come around the 13, come around the 5, come around the 17. You're going to be coming around the 11. You're going to have to come around the 19, come around the 18. All right, so we're going to have to come around the 2. You're going to be coming around the 1. You're going to be lining up behind the 7. Open. Get behind the 20.
Oh, damn, we still didn't get to 2 range?
I got 7 minutes of optional from that.
Start looking for your sign. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Go, man, go, go, man, go, 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 go. 0 speed.
Oh, how did I get past me under yellow, man? You went past me.
Line
That
up behind
sucks.
the 16. You're going to have to come around at 4. You're going to have to come around at 1. You're going to have to come around at 6. You're going to be coming around at 6. You're going to be coming around at 3. Come around at 2. You're going to be coming around at 4. You're going to be coming around at 5. Coming around at 5. You'll be lining up behind the 16. That's start tail end along this line. You're behind the 5. One to go. Just watch your inside going into turn 1. We see that hero line guys dive into the inside. 25.894.
Five is telling you to pass me.
Let's get her cleaned out real well, man. Clean up those tires.
Yeah, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Pace cars off, be ready. Green, 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 green.
Appreciate that, 20. Really appreciate that 42 second penalty.
36.714.
We're going to pit road. Oh my god, I'm sorry, man.
Middle of the track. Caution. Caution.
You were not clear on the inside?
The road's closed. So I could be lining up behind the 21. You're going to be lining up behind the 16.
Everyone's getting Garrett manned here.
Yeah, I thought jumping on pit road would like alleviate that, man. I'm sorry, man, to give you a black flag. I didn't do that on purpose.
Dude, like you never do that coming to green. I mean, I don't even know why the pit road wasn't closed. It should have been closed. You cannot do that.
Yeah, Hayden, I'm sorry, man. Truly sorry.
Coming around at 15. Alright, so we're going to have to come around the 15.
Yeah, pit road was open, so I just ducked down there to try to get in there. So sorry, man.
Lucky dog coming around the outside.
You're going to have to come around at 5. Coming around at 15. Coming around at 7.
Patrick, I don't know what you're mad about. You came across my nose. I was already there.
You're going to have to come around at 18. Alright, so we're going to have to come around the 10. Alright, so we're going to have to come around the 6. You're going to be coming around the 3. Come around the space car. I'm going to be behind the 20.
Oof. Beep.
Open. Keep after, baby. I need 20 solid laps.
Oof.
Pumu had enough. I hope Natalie Decker wins it. She can get the beef.
Matt, I had to mute it. Was that any good or no?
Start looking for your sign. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
You guys take 2 to go there?
Yes, we are on queue to go.
Thank you.
Go. Hard. Go. Looks like you should be lining up behind
Yeah, I
the
think that's
5.
what I'm saying. I went on pit road, it was open, and you got a black flag. I think that sucks. I got a black flag from passing someone that was a lap down as well.
One to go.
What are you
I got a
doing?
pit too, guys, so I'm
Here's
just
the
like,
salary.
wait for the green and whatever.
Be on the inside here. Line up behind the 16. .707. But coming to the green, you're getting cleaned out real well. Get a nice start. Pace cars off. Be
Be
ready.
outside here, 16.
Ready. Green flag. .653.
Damn.
Slow car on the bottom. Caution.
I mean,
Boss ain't doing a good job.
I'm tucked behind you. I had no idea you were going to check up there.
The road's closed.
Yeah, no, you probably couldn't see it, but yeah, he was all over he was swerving back and forth. I had to check up.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I couldn't see it.
We're going to restart behind the 16.
No, I get it. It's all good, dude.
Fantastic battle up front here, but, you know, got wrecked for last.
Oh, that was top 10.
Yeah, if I wouldn't have checked up, I would have smoked him, so I had to.
One more race after this one at IRP for the week.
I can't even see my black flag from earlier. Damn it.
16, got the lucky dog. I have a lap car coming on the outside. Pit road is open.
I got taken out on that one.
20, you gotta pass me.
Sorry, Andrew. I know what's doing here. Why supposed to tell me to do everything? Oh, man.
Start looking for your sign.
Yeah, no chance.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Yeah, give me 2 minutes of optional, but I think I can still finish the race all right.
Go, man, go, 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 go. Gonna line up behind the 16. Gonna line up behind the 19.
All right, Andrew, I'm going to follow you on the outside, buddy.
You're gonna be coming around the 16. Come on, Gerald.
Well, that depends if they go.
1, 2, 3.
Last people I've been
One
behind
go.
have not gone.
Alright, so it looks like you're gonna be on the inside, I think. 31.41.
Better rack out.
You're gonna have to come around to 18.
I don't know what happened between me and the 6, but I guess it kind of got up into me, and that's what probably caused caution, but I don't know.
Get them all cleaned up there, bud. Give those belts a good tug. Pace cars off. Be ready. Green flag. .412 outside. 10 to go. Nice and smooth. Still outside. Still outside. Clear, clear, clear. Inside. Still there. Still there on the bottom. 23.576. Clear, clear, clear. .516. .429. .412. 23.455. About 5 to go here. .632. Two to go. .678. Coming to the white flag this time. .596.
Good win. Good race, guys.
Yeah, good win, Corbin.
Slowing on the bottom. Car's moving, he's on the bottom. Go high. Checker. We'll give you a mulligan, man. As good as you do for us week in and week out, buddy. We wouldn't trade you for nothing, you know that.